To change the date and time settings on OnePlus 13, first we need to open a settings on our device. When you scroll all the way down, there will be an option for your system and update settings. Then we need to enter date and time, and right here we can adjust all of the settings. First thing is a time format that you can switch between 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. Then there's the options to set a time automatically. If you deactivate it, you'll be able to adjust the date and time manually, but I do not recommend to do that since it may break your network settings. So I recommend to put it on automatic, which will save you a lot of struggle, trust me. Then there's the set time zone automatically that you can also activate or deactivate. When it's deactivated, you can choose a manual time zone, but I also prefer to have it set to automatic. There's also option to activate a dual clock, and then you can change the clock for the first time and it sets automatically to the one from your time zone, or the second one, then you can search for a specific city like a New York, and you will see a clock for both of them on your lock screen. And there's also display dual clock on, as I said, lock screen, home screen clock widget, or lock screen and home screen clock widget. So now when we have that everything set, we can just go back and see our clock customized.